Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jay, and I just arrived here at Urban Rose Welding and Maintenance. We about to do a couple of gate jobs. I'm about to get it in, make this money. This is Urban Rose Media. I want you to subscribe to this channel and watch the hustle don't stop from the bottom to the top. The first sketch of my son's bed. I'll show you that in a picture next. This is my son's bed that I made. The one that was on the sketch. It's the top bunk. It's a queen. This is the steps right here. Go up the steps right there. I will show y'all the bottom bunk, but his sister in there asleep right now. I don't want to wake her up.
Yeah, just play it.
But that's it. That's the sketch.
I love hearing that song.
These the little curtains.
I don't know why.
Keep secluded in there. That's my son. He on this game right now. That's all he do. All day. All night. After school, though. Work hard, play hard. Now, this is the book right here, the magical book with all the notes, the estimates. I really can't show y'all too much because the address is in here. So call now. At 310-497-2915. Breakaway Windows. Hey, yo, what's up, y'all? We done for the day. I'm tired, man. Ready to go home. Been working all day. I'm gonna take a shower, go home. Oh, man, let me show you the sections we did. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections today. We're going to finish up maybe tomorrow. Time is money. Money is time. Urban Rose Media, Urban Rose Welding and Maintenance. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's all good in the hood. Hey, subscribe, baby.
Galleria, where she says